Imagine a refrigerator that doesn't need electricity, powered instead by salt. That's exactly what we created with Thermavault. As three teens from Indore, India, we were inspired by the challenges of delivering COVID-19 vaccines to rural areas. Our invention uses special salts that absorb heat when dissolved in water, keeping vaccines at the perfect temperature for hours. After testing over 150 salts, we found that ammonium chloride and barium hydroxide octahydrate work wonders, achieving temperatures ideal for vaccines and even transplant organs. Our prototype is an insulated container with a copper lining, allowing us to reuse the cooling solution without needing a freezer. With the $12,500 Earth Prize, we're building 200 units for hospitals, aiming to revolutionize medical supply transport in remote areas. This is just the beginning of making healthcare accessible to everyone.